Okay, there are three places to look for students who have done a Google form, and it's in Google Classroom. Number one, after they're done with the assignment, the Google Forms, they have to hit submit. When they hit submit, as a teacher, I should be able to see it on responses. So I can look here at responses, and this is my entire class. They had a nice little arch going on here. I can then look at individual questions, or I can look at individuals. So over here, so I can look on, if I know the student 01062022, whatever that is, I can look at their grades particularly, and then I can just click on this. Out of the 88 students who did my assignment, I can look at each one and figure out where they are in the Google form in that regard. Now, when I go to Google Classroom, there's a couple things that a student can do to kind of mess up a teacher. Number one, they can hit, if they hit view assignment underneath their assignment, they can turn it in. They can turn in a blank form. So if they didn't do it, they can just click on form and just click it, and Google will say they did it, but then the form will say they hadn't done it. And so when I click on this, there's my 3 students that have done it. Now, interesting enough, I hit on my 17. Here's the opposite. Abigail had done my work, but she hasn't turned it in yet. As far as art's concerned, she probably just hasn't hit that. If she's posted that, that probably means she hasn't put it in there. Now, I can still grade it, but I probably in the comments will say, please turn that in. So she did her assignment and didn't turn it in. And then, of course, sometimes I get students who think they're clever, and they turn in an empty assignment, and then I go to look at it, which would be these 3 responses here. Now, no student have done that on this assignment, but I could see a blank one here. So if it's in Google Forms, there's a chance that student in Google Classroom may have hit turned in, but never did the form itself. And the best way to do that is to click on your forms, look at responses, and see if they're one of the 5 in the responses that did that. Okay?